I'm currently in this position here with Tesla calls with one contract. This is just one contract here, so I'm using the footprint chart, which is a new feature on Webull app. And this tells me candle by candle what it's doing. So this is bullish, bullish, bearish, bullish, and this is what that's doing there. So I'm riding up above the 90 EMA here. You can see right there. This is another video that I started because the other one got really long. So this is going to be one of those really long plays here with the video there. But if you can see here, the straight up above the 9, it's right up above the 9 EMA. And I have my TP right up here at 1350. I'm gonna bring it down just a little bit right here to like 1250 right there. That's just my TP there, but you can move that as much as you want, whatever the market's telling you, that's kind of where you're gonna go off of. So this is a footprint chart. It's a new feature on Webull, and it's really cool. I haven't seen any videos of anybody else using this, but I really like it. It's a pretty cool feature there. So I'm working here with one contract with Tesla calls, and this is looking pretty good to the upside. As you can see right there, I'm trailing my stop loss to the upside there, following my footprint. So positive, positive, negative, 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 and then we'll see what this candle wants to print right now. I'm still riding up above the 9 EMA there. So I've been trailing this. I didn't really start down here. I started like over here. So it's been working up and down, but the potential looks pretty good. I mean, I'm testing out this new footprint chart, and the information that this gives you is pretty good. It's really good actually, because you're able to see all the absorption of the buyers and sellers and each candle by depth, each one step by step. And this is what I wanted to get, but this program here in another setting, in another place, is like pretty expensive to have. So Webull integrated this into candle by candle, and I really like it because it really gives you insight on what it's doing, and it's just a great benefit to have. It's really good. It's really nice to have, because it really tells you what is going on with this market here, this price action. So as you can see there, as this was coming down to the 6K, it was rejecting off my 9 EMA. So it stopped me out, and today was a choppy market. I just thought I'd take a small trade just to demonstrate how to use this VWAP, this footprint chart here. And this is what it looks like. It's really good because it tells you candle by candle what it's doing, and not for you to be like kind of like, oh, well, what's this candle have? How much volume does it have? How much buying and selling pressure does it really have? It's halfway. Yeah, it's halfway, but is it really halfway? Exactly. This will tell you right here. Like this candle is negative 8K and 56K to the upside there. So when it has a negative down here, that means short sellers are taking over. So what does that mean? That means that it's coming to the downside here because they're taking over, made a LL, so lower low. And so that took a small hit right there. It stopped me out. It came down to the 200 to the 20 EMA here. It retested and it came back up just a little bit, and it's still right above this 1180 right there. So it took me, it grabbed liquidity and it went up to the upside there. That's what it did. So I took a small loss right there, and now it's coming up to the 1250s right there. So say that I wanted to enter again right here at calls, right? Calls at 1085. Come right here, right? So now that it grabbed liquidity, there's a 20K, it's coming up to the upside there. As you can see right there, let me see. So it's got, this is a potential that it could have right there with SPY. You can see that right there, right up to the upside there. So but it's still in consolidation stage there. See that? Still consolidating right there. Came up to the 11s right there. So say that I wanted to buy one more position here on Tesla, just like that. You would be able to see it right there. You click on it, and then you can just come here and then put your stop loss, or you can do it with no stop loss. You know, you can just exit out whenever you want to get out, you know. But say that you wanted to take profit at 1180, well, you still have to look at your candles here. So this is a 7K candle moving to the upside there, so it's pretty bullish, bullish, and made a higher high there. This is on a 1 minute time frame there. It's lower low. See that right there? So it's very choppy. A lot of consolidation right here. As you can see right there, it consolidates right there, and then it uses resistance as support, and it comes back up, then it comes down. So it's not an easy trade, you know, but you can manage it a little bit, just like I was doing right now. But I don't think it really has that much potential to move up to the upside, because the way it stopped me out right now, I was aiming to like the 12s or 1250s, but it took liquidity and came up to the upside there, you know. So say if I wanted to buy this market right as it's going up here at the 528K, right? Okay, so if I placed an order there with a stop loss and a take profit, right? Stop price, I want it to be at 15 bucks, 20 buck loss, right? Okay, 1.31K is moving up to the upside there a little bit. If you can see, there's a little bit of selling pressure there. As you can see here, 184. So green, small pullback, consolidating right here just a little bit. As you can see, little consolidation right there. Small little stair step right there to the upside there. So this thing just keeps, you know, moving, you know, but in reality, it's not looking like there's a lot of volume to the upside. I mean, it just consolidates, comes down, retouches, comes up, grab liquidity down there. Here, it touched the 9, so we could have entered right there, but consolidated, selling pressure, then came up to the upside there. So it's just a matter of working with it and keeping an eye on it. You see this candle coming down right here? Look at this volume right here. So it's negative 1K, so it's negative now, right? And that's what this candle's doing. So yeah, I'm gonna cut this video short. Just an explanation on how to use the footprint chart, and this is the way I view it on the Webull platform.